is up, guys? My name is Ari here from Crypto News, and in this video we're going to be having a look at Pepe. We're going to be having a look at the price, some analysis, because we could see right here Pepe is currently about to break this massive downtrend. Now I know a lot of people say, oh, this is a downtrend, that's a downtrend, and it doesn't really matter because you guys can see that we do have two hits right here, and even if this is the correct downtrend right here, you guys can see that we did break this very important level. So that's what's happening right here. We're going to be having a look at market cap, Fibonacci. We got a nice little bounce at the 0.382 fib retracement, which is obviously pretty bullish. Bitcoin is making some sort of comeback, as you guys can see, coming back above. So was this just a fake out, coming up back above this nice little resistance? So you guys can see that Bitcoin obviously has been trending to the downside. I did mention that if we were to break this nice little rectangle, then it would be pretty bearish. But guys, keep in mind that Bitcoin is still in a downtrend, as you guys can see. Will Bitcoin get rejected right here? Are we going to see a fake out? Are we going to see a pump and dump? Are we going to see a consolidation? Or will Bitcoin come back up and retest $72,000? So that's what's happening right now for BTC. If we have a look at Pepe real quick and we go back to the charts, we could see that Pepe is obviously looking pretty darn great, as you guys can see. If we have a look right here at the price prediction or price analysis, or on CoinGecko, I guess you should say, currently traded at $3.4 billion. The volume is very high. $1.1 billion of this crypto is currently being traded right now, which is very high. So you guys can see, if we scroll down a little bit, you guys can see right here, it's been listed on Gate.io, BingX, MEXC, OKX, Binance, Bybit. I mean, the only exchanges that pretty much have not listed Pepe yet is, I believe it's Coinbase, and pretty much that would be the next big exchange to list them. I think we could see a 50% to 100% pump, a 2x, as soon as it does get listed on Coinbase. So that's what's happening right now on Pepe right here. It's looking pretty darn great in my opinion, but of course, guys, it is still pretty high in terms of market cap. So, you know, a lot of people are looking for the next 10x coin. I mean, if this does go 10x, you're most likely looking at a market cap of $33 billion, which is very high. Can we see Pepe go all the way up to quadruple or 0.00105? Maybe not. We're gonna have to see if Pepe can essentially break this resistance right here on the weekly time frame. It seems like this was just a nice little correction. If we pull up the stochastic RSI, you're probably gonna get a better understanding right here that we were oversold. Now, what happens when we are oversold? We usually go back and correct, and this is exactly what happened. And right now we are coming back and essentially re-entering in this area right here. Now, another thing that's pretty bullish, guys, is this inverse head and shoulder. Okay, can this be an inverse head and shoulder for Pepe? Can we see this really fly to the freaking moon? Now, these targets are usually very bullish. If I take the bottom of the top and I extend that, we could see that our target should be 0.00017, which is a 2x. So like I mentioned, guys, if we do get listed on Coinbase or something big happens, you could expect a 2x return. Now, another coin that I do want to talk about, guys, is WIF 2.0. Now, obviously we saw what WIF did, and now we're seeing what WIF 2.0 is doing. So this is the chart right here. It's looking pretty healthy. A lot of people are going to think this is overbought, it's not going to go anywhere, it's done. But that's not true at all. There's only 1,730 holders right here. The chart is looking pretty darn great on WIF 2.0. So it is holding, and this is literally a sign for something to go parabolic. And I think that we could see WIF literally go to 1 cent very soon. I think it's a matter of time before we see a nice little parabolic run right here to 0.05, something like that. I think we could see WIF 2.0 really explode, you know, 15x, 20x, something like that. And I mean, in the near future, we know that Bitcoin is rebounding. Meme coins are rebounding heavily. Of course, it's not financial advice, but I would highly suggest looking at that. This is how the logo looks. It's pretty much a dog with a hat with infinity money sign. Okay, so that is my video, guys. Up 70%. It seems like right now we are in a slight little pullback right here. Probably the best time to get in because something as big is happening, which I can announce. But that is my video, guys, on WIF 2.0. If you guys do like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you